How to choose carpet for bedrooms. Dear friends, when it comes to furnishing a bedroom, the goal should be choosing decor that creates a comfortable, calm feel for the space. While it may seem like a minor detail, the right carpeting can go a long way in helping create that cozy vibe. With all the options on the market, though, it can be tough to choose a carpet for your bedroom. If you're getting ready to shop for new carpeting, keep a few basic tips in mind, and you'll wind up with a carpet that has the right look and feel for your bedroom. Set a budget. While the first thing that homeowners usually think about when shopping for bedroom carpeting is the color and texture, determining your budget is probably the most important step in the entire process. Carpeting prices depend on the square footage of the room, so be sure to measure your space before going to the store. If you have a large master bedroom, you may need to look for less costly options. If your bedroom is on the smaller side, however, you may be able to splurge on luxury carpeting since you'll need less to cover the room. Either way, once you have a firm budget in mind, you'll save time at the store because you'll know which carpets you can afford and be able to more easily identify the highest quality options within your price range. Decide on the fiber. When it comes to carpeting materials, you can opt for natural or synthetic fibers. Wool is an ideal option for bedroom carpeting since it has a soft, luxurious feel. As a natural fiber, however, it tends to be the costliest type of carpeting. Synthetic carpets are usually more budget-friendly, so they may be a more realistic option if you have a large bedroom. Nylon is typically the costliest synthetic carpeting because it has the softest feel. Polyester carpeting is usually less expensive than nylon and is non-allergenic, making it an ideal choice if you suffer from allergies or asthma. Because it is an inexpensive material, however, polyester carpeting sometimes presents issues with shedding or pilling. Pay attention to texture. In a bedroom, the carpeting should be as soft and comfortable underfoot as possible, so choosing the right texture or pile is key. But the right texture can also give your bedroom carpet a more attractive appearance, so it is a matter of aesthetics as well. For the most luxurious look and feel, choose a Saxony pile carpet, which has a plush, fluffy texture. Velvet pile carpeting also has a soft, sumptuous feel, so it is ideal for a bedroom as well. While Saxony pile carpeting has long, loose fibers, the fibers in a velvet pile carpet are short and dense, so they offer different looks for your bedroom flooring. Get the color right. A neutral colored carpet, such as tan, brown or gray, is a safe option since it will work with virtually any wall or decor colors. But it's usually best to avoid carpets that are extremely light like white or beige because they don't hide dirt as easily as darker carpeting. If you have more colorful tastes, don't be afraid to try a bold colored carpet in your bedroom. With light colored walls, carpeting in rich shade of blue, green or red can add visual interest and dimension to the room. A subtle patterned rug that features 2 or more colors can also make a plain, neutral bedroom a little more interesting. But avoid extremely loud colors and busy patterns since they'll likely be too stimulating for the bedroom. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.